Hi my friends, welcome to my channel, The Cooking That You Can Make. The channel where you can find the easiest and delicious recipes, proven that they work, to cook, delight and share. Chop the cilantro leaves in this way. When we have fried the fish, add 1 teaspoon of garlic. To the remaining marinade, add 4 tablespoons of water and boil it to enhance the flavor. Cover it for about 2 minutes so that the cilantro aromatizes the fish. It can be served with boiled potatoes, some salads or rice. Thanks for watching.